Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn the history of the United States through a simple and interesting story. Let's begin. More than 400 years ago, the land we now call the United States looked very different. There were no large cities, no highways, and no tall buildings. Instead, there were beautiful forests, wide rivers, high mountains, and millions of Native Americans living peacefully across the land. They had their own languages, traditions, and cultures. In 1607, a group of English settlers arrived and built the first permanent English colony called Jamestown in Virginia. Life was not easy. The settlers faced hunger, disease, and harsh winters. Many people died during the first few years. However, they continued working hard and slowly built a successful community. A few years later, in 1620, another group of settlers called the Pilgrims sailed across the Atlantic Ocean on a ship named the Mayflower. They wanted religious freedom and hoped to build a better life. They settled in Plymouth, Massachusetts. Their first winter was very difficult, but with help from Native Americans, they survived. After their first successful harvest, they held a celebration that later became known as Thanksgiving. As the years passed, more people came from Europe. By the 1700s, there were 13 British colonies along the eastern coast of North America. The colonies grew quickly. People built farms, towns, schools, churches, and businesses. Trade became more successful, and the population continued to increase. However, the relationship between the colonies and Britain became worse. The British government placed new taxes on the colonists without giving them a voice in Parliament. The colonists believed this was unfair. They wanted the right to help make the laws that affected their lives. In 1775, fighting began between Britain and the colonies. This conflict became known as the American Revolutionary War. 1 year later, on July 4, 1776, the colonies declared their independence by signing the Declaration of Independence. They announced that they were now a free and independent nation, the United States of America. The war lasted for several years. Under the leadership of George Washington, the American Army fought bravely and finally won. Washington later became the first president of the United States in 1789. During the 1800s, the country expanded westward. New states joined the nation, railroads connected distant places, and many immigrants arrived from Europe looking for a better future. Factories were built, cities became larger, and the American economy grew rapidly. But there was also a serious problem. Slavery divided the nation. In 1861, the American Civil War began. It was one of the bloodiest wars in American history. President Abraham Lincoln worked to keep the country united and helped end slavery. After 4 difficult years, the war ended in 1865, and the United States began rebuilding. As time passed, America became one of the world's leading industrial nations. Great inventions such as the telephone, electric light, airplane, and automobile changed everyday life. Millions of people found new opportunities, and cities continued to grow. In the 20th century, the United States played an important role in both World War I and World War II. After the Second World War, America became one of the world's most powerful countries. During the Cold War, it competed with the Soviet Union in science, technology, and space exploration. One of America's greatest achievements came in 1969 when astronauts from the Apollo 11 mission became the first humans to walk on the moon. It was a proud moment that inspired people around the world. In recent decades, the United States has become a global leader in technology, business, education, entertainment, and innovation. Companies from Silicon Valley have changed the way people communicate, work, and learn. The country continues to welcome people from many different cultures, making it one of the most diverse nations in the world. Today, the United States is home to more than 340 million people. Its history is filled with courage, challenges, success, and change. From a small group of colonies to one of the world's most influential nations, the American story continues to inspire millions of people across the globe. Thank you for listening. If you enjoyed learning English through this story, keep practicing every day. Every new word you learn brings you one step closer to speaking English with confidence. See you in the next story.